Nadu Agriculture University welcomes you most heartily. Though this university came into existence on 1st June 1971, it has a good heritage and long history. The agriculture school was started as early as 1863 at Saidapet, Madras by Sir William Davidson to offer licentiate course in agriculture. Sir Arthur Lawley laid the foundation for the Agricultural College and Research Institute in the year 1906. The degree program was started in 1920 with 8 students. At present, Tamil Nadu Agriculture University has got 10 colleges, 3 for agriculture, 2 for veterinary and animal sciences, 1 each for horticulture, agricultural engineering, forestry, fisheries and home science. There are 32 research stations functioning for agricultural research, 11 for animal sciences, 5 for horticulture and 1 zonal center for agricultural engineering. Besides conducting research and extension education activities, the autonomous institution offers degree program in undergraduate and postgraduate levels. Different degree programs are offered at different campuses. BSc Agriculture at Agricultural College and Research Institute, Coimbatore, Madurai and Kilikulam, BSc Horticulture at Coimbatore, BVSc at Madras and Namakkal, BSc Home Science at Madurai, BSc Forestry at Coimbatore and BFSc at Fisheries College, Tuticorin. True to the emblem of till, toil and triumph, we strive hard for the upliftment of the farming community with the objectives of imparting education in different branches of agriculture and allied sciences. Also, to further the advancement of learning and prosecution of research in agriculture and to undertake extension of such sciences to rural people. The Board of Management is the apex administrative body which decides the various policy matters of the university. The Academic Council controls teaching and examinations. The Research Council is the policy-making body on research. The Extension Education Council formulates policies and broad outlines of extension education activities. The research activities are carried out in various places under different centers of excellence. The Center for Agriculture and Rural Development Studies was started in 1979 to take up research on agricultural economics and extension communication, besides offering courses on agricultural economics and agricultural extension. In 1979, the Center for Advanced Studies in Agricultural Microbiology was started with the assistance of UNDP, FAO, ICAR to develop efficient nitrogen-fixing organisms through mutation and genetic engineering. One of the oldest department of agriculture botany was upgraded as School of Genetics in 1980 with the aim to undertake crop improvements through hybridization and biotechnology techniques with tissue culture, anther culture, etc. The priority areas are to increase the yield of grain, fodder and fiber crops, incorporating resistance to various stress conditions and developing varieties, hybrids to suit to various agroclimatic zones. To perform the lead function in rice, similar to IRRI, the State Paddy Experiment Station at Aduturai was upgraded as Tamil Nadu Rice Research Institute in 1982. It acts as test verification center for different rice research stations in all fields of rice breeding. This also caters to the research requirements of Cauvery Delta zone. The Swedish International Development Authority financed for the establishment of Water Technology Center in 1982 to assess, conserve, develop and utilize water resources in Tamil Nadu. Under adequate water available resources situations, continuous submergence of 5 cm water was found to record high yield comparing to other low moisture regions. Drip irrigation method, which is an advanced method of irrigation, is recommended to wide-spaced crops like coconut, fruit crops, vegetables, etc. To maximize crop production, the Center for Soil and Crop Management Studies was established in 1984. Coordinated researches were undertaken in soil and crop management to identify the resource constraints in crop production in different agroclimatic zones. This center also carried out operational research to test verify the technology developed for the field applicability and accelerated adoption for better production and feedback. To optimize the utilization of production such as environment, land, water and biological and physical inputs, the integrated farming system approach is evolved and practiced. The departments of agricultural entomology, plant pathology and nematology were merged to form the Center for Plant Protection in June 1984. This center, besides offering courses, undertakes research for pest and disease control, management and investigation of bioecology of pests and pathogens. It collaborates in resistance breeding and also undertakes training in plant protection to in-service personnel. Regular surveillance is being carried out to find out the factors responsible for pest epidemic and disease epiphytotics, for forecasting and forewarning systems of pests and diseases. Integrated pest and disease management systems have also been developed by the center. Directorate of Animal Health looks after livestock research and development centers, poultry research and development centers, and farmers training centers in different districts of the state. They act as diagnostic centers and also as nerve centers in providing feedback information. College of Horticulture offers programs at undergraduate and postgraduate levels. This faculty undertakes research for upgrading fruit, vegetables, spices and plantations, ornamentals, medicinal and aromatic crops through bioengineering and tissue culture. Food Science and Nutrition, a part of the College of Horticulture, conducts practical training to farm women and housewives on new techniques in fruit preparation and preservation of fruits. Very few agricultural universities have the advantage of having an agricultural engineering wing. This university has an agricultural engineering college at Coimbatore with departments like farm machinery, agroenergy, structures, soil and water and processing, which have developed many labor-saving devices for the benefit of farmers. The university library is one of the biggest libraries in Southeast Asia, subscribing for over 1,000 current journals from countries like UK, USA, Japan, Australia, New Zealand, etc. Nearly 1.5 lakh books on various subjects on agriculture are being referred by students, staff, farmers and scientists from other universities also. This library also has facilities like Xerox copying, bibliographics, microfilms, etc. For students to spend their leisure time, facilities like indoor gymnasium, the biggest in the south, swimming pool, floodlight basketball court, photographic clubs, students club, etc. are also available in the campus. The Directorate of Extension Education was established in 1971 and is primarily responsible for the expeditious dissemination of the latest technologies emanating from various research programs of this university. There are 6 farm science centers functioning at Coimbatore, Madurai, Trichy, Pondicherry, Virudhachalam and Kattupakam. These centers conduct intensive practical on-campus and off-campus trainings on the scientific farming methodology for the benefit of the farmers, farm women, rural youth, school teachers and dropouts, extension workers and village artisans. The scientists of the 5 plant clinic centers at Vellore, Tirur, Tirunelveli, Salem and Srivilliputtur periodically visit the farmers' holdings, identify the pest and disease problems and suggest suitable remedial measures. The ICAR-sponsored National Demonstration Scheme functioning at Namakkal organizes target-oriented demonstrations in the farmers' fields for proving the feasibility of achieving maximum output by following the recommended practices. The scheme for scheduled caste and other backward communities has been implemented as a pilot project at Aruppukkottai. Villages having more than 50% of scheduled caste population are selected and necessary technical and input support are provided for improving the economic well-being of the people by way of conducting demonstrations and rendering technical advice for establishing enterprises like piggery units, poultry units, community nutritional gardens, etc. There are 2 communication centers, one at Coimbatore and another at Madras Veterinary College, which serve as the nerve centers of the university in disseminating farm technologies through mass media like dailies, magazines, All India Radio, Doordarshan and publications. The Communication Center at Coimbatore has an artist section, color photography section, museum and exhibition. In order to disseminate package of scientific technology to the mass, the information about latest and improved technology is well designed, treated and offered through what is called Farm School on All India Radio. Correspondence course is yet another important form of distance learning program wherein each course is conducted for a period of 3 months by mailing 6 lessons at the rate of 1 per fortnight. One of the means to reach farmers' homes and to hear at will and leisure and also to hear repeatedly is the cassette lessons of the Communication Center. So far, more than 500 recorded cassettes on different topics have been distributed to the farmers. We disseminate university findings through leading dailies and journals, besides answering queries and enquiries of farmers, visitors, and general public. There is one offset and printing press at the main campus, in addition to 2 more letter presses, one each at Madurai and Madras campuses. These presses are very useful in bringing out quality publications in time. The most important publications are Valarum Velanmai, a Tamil monthly magazine with about 16,000 subscribers, is published by the Communication Center, Coimbatore. Kalnadai Kadir, a Tamil quarterly magazine for animal sciences, is published by the Communication Center at the Veterinary College, Madras. Ulavar Thunaivan, another Tamil magazine, is published from the Agriculture College and Research Institute, Madurai. TNAU newsletter, an English monthly, is also published for global circulation. Seidi Madal, a Tamil monthly, is published with seasonal information. This journal is distributed to conveners of farmers' discussion groups and assistant directors of agriculture. Low-price publications on agriculture and allied sciences for the benefit of farmers, students, extension functionaries and the like. The newly established video library has so far produced 16 video programs for the benefit of farmers, extension workers and for different development departments. Agro Video Club was started. In this club, all progressive farmers owning video cassette recorders or video cassette players will be enrolled as members. Video lessons on agriculture and allied subjects prepared by the video unit will be supplied to these members on lending basis periodically. Under Lab to Land program, technological support, critical inputs like seeds, fertilizers, pesticides, implements, sheep, goats, etc. are supplied. Tamil Nadu Agriculture University has nominated a team of master trainers. These scientist teams are actively participating in the conduct of monthly zonal workshops of training and visit system, in addition to offering relevant messages and appropriate solution to the field problems. These master trainers organize skill teaching in each zonal workshop depending on the season and requirement. These teams will also have a joint diagnostic field visit with the TNV district staff to have first-hand knowledge of field problems emanating from time to time. Further, the Directorate of Extension Education organizes weekly training programs for the extension functionaries on various important subjects in agriculture and allied areas. In order to coordinate all training programs, a separate training division has been established at the Directorate of Extension Education, which offers training to extension officers, pre-release defense personnel, bankers, IAS probationers and others. The university rededicates itself to the cause of farmers by way of starting an innovative agricultural information center. Weekly Wednesday meetings are convened to identify timely and need-based messages for immediate dissemination. This center also issues daily press notes highlighting the ongoing activities of the university. Student Counseling and Placement Center was started to channelize the students' aspirations in professions and help in better placement in different jobs. Farmers Reception Center is yet another new unit which offers assistance in solving farmers' problems who visit the main campus. Farming community is our client. We strive hard for their betterment.